Do you turn all your lights on when we once we start, or do you just run what you?
I don't know. See what happens here.
Oh yeah.
S91 entering course.
Those aren't even the LP9s. There they are. Love it. Yeah, crank them all.
See how this is all fucking gravel now?
Yeah.
Green light on course. Green light on course.
Yeah, it's high. I'm going over the top of that tundra.
Yeah, but it's a nice hot spot in the middle, general.
Yeah, it's the right spot.
957 has finished. Copy 957 has finished.
Smelling something. Brakes. Touch.
Okay.
Okay. He's pretty slow behind us. I'm surprised he's slower than us.
There, you got it sideways.
Yeah,
Forgot about that branch too.
A little wet spot under the tree where it was dripping.
Well, there was that in the tree. Did you notice the tree hung down?
A little bit lower.
There's a lot of weird. That was a weird spot to have gravel.
Well, everybody hugs the inside apex to kick gravel the outside. So all of this part of the road is all cut off?
Yeah. There's
the last car installed in the
I don't even have my high beams on yet.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
Yeah, it's lighting up the hill over him.
But that's what all the racers have. I'd be fine with that. Maybe a hair lower.
There's the high beams.
Oh, okay.
Copy 286.
Not much difference. Beat the semi-trucks.
Stopping.
There he is. Are we gonna get roped into this one?
No, I'm gonna let somebody else do it.
Yeah? What's this guy?
454 has finished.
Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Copy 454.
Here, let me go see if I can move that down right here.
Sure.
It's angled way up there and I can see how far it moves. We only need to go down just a little bit.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, up. Right there. What did he say?
He's gonna try to fix it on course.
We cannot help. got another light that's not even on.
What's that one?
The top bar.
Oh, that's the one that needs to be on. Yeah, that's a little better. You're more on the back of his bumper than over his hood, or over his roof. Oh, they're already gone. That's just testament to how fast that freaking car is. That's wild.
Oh.
Holy cow. That's awesome. If I was doing this every couple months, I'd probably put my sway bars back on or get different sway bars.
Yeah, I know somebody makes a smaller front sway bar. I don't remember who it is, but I see it every once in a while on Metal Tech's website, and I keep thinking, man, it wouldn't be a bad idea. That way I can still maintain some stability in this stuff, but still get, a little bit more flex out of it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a multiple. Oh, I want to try something real quick here. Hey Google, launch torque app. Ho ho! Who's my baby? Wow. What? No, that can't be right.
190?
68? Huh.
For what?
190 is my coolant. My bottom right.
168 for your. Oh, that's your second. You need your first one as well on there. You get both of the sensors.
This isn't finished. What are we done?
Oh, it's a hot course, so we're getting these people out of here. Or what?
I thought we were going to keep going.
What did they say? Someone came in to use the bathroom?
You just keep going up. Like, why'd you pull in here?
I don't know. I haven't fallen the flying finish, so
Oh,
I was following
you
the
keep
road.
going up the hill.
Yeah, that's fine. We're clear.
Yep.
We already came to flying finish, so we're good.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
guys all look so good down there.
I'd like to go up.
Yep. We're going. Now
Oh, the finish line was already back there?
Yeah, this is the little pad that I pointed out on the road.
Oh,
And I said that's the finish.
Okay. I thought it was further up. Oh, he's going at speed. See if he can catch the Lexus. Gotta be able to catch the Lexus.
They're media peeps.
This is still a hot course, isn't it?
No, green light went by.
Oh, it's like green light is behind us.
Well, yeah,
Green
But
light
this
hasn't
isn't
been to
course.
this section, right?
this isn't course.
Oh, well, Lexus guy went up.
Well, yeah. I mean, the course is over. Green light's over. I don't know.
I just
Being
meant like
silly.
he went up at speed. Looking at speed anyways. I'm sure those guys are driving up this at speed, aren't they?
No.
Uh-oh.
That's why the road's bad right here.
I gotta get a full stop here.
Uh-huh. Well, this is stop. Okay.
Okay.
They're
Got
good.
The course.
The road. There's a skinny spot.
Thing looks sick.
Thank you. Because I knew the road disappeared right here, and I thought that's where they were at. Oh, fuck.
Jake and I are headed to my pizza in the Dalles.
Pizza in the Dalles.